That's what you have to place your bets on. That's where you need to go. It's absolutely certain that every business gets disrupted, right? We all needed maps till somebody gave us navigation. I didn't need maps anymore. We all needed a watch until we had cell phones. Then I don't necessarily need a watch anymore, right? Disruptions, these disruptions that I described to you earlier up here with the rope, they are happening in industries all around us. So the best way to predict your future is to create it. And I'm glad to say Abraham Lincoln said that, not me. All right? You're not going to create your future by randomly listening to companies walk into your state and ask for opportunities to do development or put up plants and see what kinds of things you can do. You're going to need a plan. You need a strategy. Where do you want to be? What do you want Wisconsin to look like? What do you want the employment to look like? Don't say, if I go train a bunch of high schoolers to do certain kinds of things, I will get that economy. Instead, you have to say, how do I get the business here that will attract the people that want to be in those kinds of businesses? That's what's important to you. If the jobs are there that are the kind of jobs people want, they will flock to you. You will not have to go out and seek them, and you will not necessarily even have to spend on their education. The University of Illinois in Champaign has been producing some of the best engineers in this country for 25 years. Do you know who the #1 recruiter is of those? Google. Number 2, Facebook. Number 3, Apple. The state of Illinois is educating all these people who are leaving, right? That's not good for the state of Illinois. Think about it that way. Where do you want, what kinds of jobs do you want to get the people to stay? Not only stay, because you've got that, but get more people to come, to want to be here, to want to do the things, live their lives the way that they want to live their lives. And people's lives revolve around work. I'd love to say recreation, but in a 24/7 world where we all have Apple Watches and smartphones, no, our lives revolve around work.